black gold. What is crude oil? Crude oil is a fossil fuel. It formed over millions of years from the remains of ancient organisms. It is found deep underground, trapped in rock formations. Crude oil is a mixture of hydrocarbons. These are chemical compounds made up of hydrogen and carbon atoms. Crude oil is a valuable resource. It is a major source of energy for the world. We extract crude oil from the earth through drilling, then it is transported to refineries. At the refineries, crude oil is processed and turned into usable products. These products have a variety of applications. They are essential to our modern way of life. Crude oil powers transportation, heats homes, and makes essential products. It is a vital resource for global economies and industries. Unlocking the secrets inside crude oil. Crude oil is a complex mixture. It contains many different hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons vary in size and structure. The most common hydrocarbons in crude oil are alkanes. Alkanes consist of chains of carbon atoms bonded to hydrogen atoms. Crude oil also contains smaller amounts of other hydrocarbons. These include cycloalkanes and aromatic hydrocarbons. The exact composition of crude oil varies depending on its source. The specific mix of hydrocarbons determines the properties of the oil. These properties influence how the oil is refined and what products are made from it. Understanding the chemical makeup of crude oil is crucial. It allows us to efficiently process and utilize this valuable resource. Shades of oil: light, heavy, sweet, and sour. Not all crude oil is the same. Crude oils are classified based on their density and sulfur content. Light crude oil has a lower density and flows easily. Heavy crude oil has a higher density and is more viscous. Sweet crude oil has a low sulfur content. Sour crude oil has a high sulfur content. The type of crude oil influences its market value and refining process. Light, sweet crude oil is generally considered more desirable. It is easier to refine and produces a higher yield of valuable products. Heavy, sour crude oil requires more processing. The different types of crude oil are suitable for different purposes. Understanding these differences is important for the oil industry and consumers. From well to world, the many uses of crude oil. Crude oil is incredibly versatile. Its refined products have a wide range of uses. One of the most well-known uses is as fuel. Gasoline and diesel fuel, derived from crude oil, power vehicles worldwide. Other fuels, such as kerosene and jet fuel, are also produced from crude oil. These fuels facilitate transportation and connect people across the globe. Beyond fuels, crude oil is a key ingredient in many products. Plastics, fertilizers, and synthetic fabrics all rely on crude oil derivatives. These products are essential to our daily lives. They improve our quality of life in countless ways. From packaging that preserves food to clothing that protects us from the elements, crude oil derivatives are indispensable.